Come on into my kitchen. I'm gonna be making buffalo spinach artichoke dip. Oh yes, artichoke and spinach. I hope it's your favorite. These are the ingredients. Let's get into this recipe. We have our canned chicken breast strained, also our artichoke strained. We're going to use the 2 full cans, and we're going to take a fork and kind of break up the meat. Shred it up really good to your consistency. Leave a couple of little chunks, but mainly get it all shredded up. Once we get that all shredded up, we're going to add about a half a can of the artichoke, and we're going to add that bag of spinach that you saw earlier. We're going to go ahead and chop up that artichoke hearts, get them chopped up a little finer, and again, you chop them as how you want the consistency to be. We'll be doing everything in one bowl. So once you get your spinach added in, you're going to give that a really good mix. Get it all blended. We're going to add a cup to a cup and a half of the sour cream. We're going to add a cup of ranch. A half a cup of buffalo sauce. And we're going to mix all that in together. Once that gets mixed all in together, we'll then add the cheese and the cream cheese. Make sure your cream cheese is room temperature. We're going to use 1 8-ounce cream cheese. Mix and make sure you get that cream cheese incorporated in with your mix. And we're going to use 2 cups of shredded cheese. And just fold the cheese in the mix. Now I'll be taking that mixture and putting it in the casserole dish. Now at this point, you guys can actually serve this room temperature. You can serve it cold, but we're gonna do a bake. But before we bake it in the oven, we're gonna refrigerate this for about 3 to 4 hours, or you can refrigerate overnight, just to let those flavors marry before you put it in the oven. We're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. You can also, right before baking, top it with more cheese. Now we're just going to take our spatula and we're just going to smooth everything down. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put saran wrap on top of this and put it in the refrigerator. Remember, put it in the refrigerator at least 3 to 4 hours or overnight before baking. So we have it in the oven, and you see those cheesy bubbles bubbling? Oh yeah, it's ready, you guys. Get your pita chips or your tortilla chips, or make your own like we're going to do. We have it in the serving dish there, and we're going to make our pita bread. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, go over to PromoSTK, Sheila Creations Way Cooking Show, and see how I made the tortilla chips for this dip. Oh yeah. And go to the mukbang at PromoSTK, Eating Good in Neighborhood, PromoSTK Reality TV, and watch us mukbang.